Here he comes.
We woke up before dawn to come here, right? And then it was not looking very nice. Like I was already like kind of sad that we would be leaving from here without any photos, because it's such a fantastic spot. Fantastic spot. But then the sun finally came out. There was light everywhere. It's so green. Oh my god. And a little bit hazy as well, just to add a little bit of mood. Look at this, huh? And it's very easy, just come out from the road. That's our car right here. Look at it. Anyway, so I'm doing some leading lines here from this part until this mountain with the waterfall on the side, and just some long exposures maybe to get some streaks, and then I'm going to combine some of these images here from the foreground to the middle ground and the background. And then it's going to be great. The sky has completely cleared on this side here of the island. There is some rain moving in on that side there. You see? Here. And then there is this burst of light, which is quite amazing. What I like is that all of the lights from the city, they're down, so then you can only see the island. You cannot see anymore the city. And you still have all of the colors and everything, so this is gonna be super duper awesome. Bam! So after this amazing sunset, we're gonna go to the hostel to have breakfast, and Then we have to go to the Funchal city center because I need to pick up USB-C converter, because I changed everything to USB-C. I changed my cameras, I changed the GoPro, the laptop is USB-C, but the hard drives are not. So now I have cameras full of pictures and videos that are just there staying in the camera because I can't back them up. So now we go to the hotel, have breakfast, leave the camera bags and everything, change clothes, take a shower, and then go to Funchal. But before that, check out this amazing sunrise. I mean, rainbow. Check out this amazing rainbow. Maybe there is a pot of gold up there. My horrible Irish accent. To one of the shopping centers here in Madeira to pick up what we need, and got my adapter, right, that I was needing for the hard disks, a SIM card, and medicine for my allergies. And Paula is now having fun with the...
I have cakes.
Super cool here because this cafe is actually a boat, like an old Madeira boat, so it's super awesome, this place. And the coffee here in Portugal is always nice. In Madeira they call it chinesa. Weird name. Little did I know that the end of the day was going to get even better, so make sure to check the next video when I return to the previous place, but this time I managed to take the shot I wanted. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy the content, please subscribe and like the video. It goes a long way to helping me produce more of it. I was just swearing to the camera.
I am here. Co-photographing.
The best, the best assistant that there is.